Hello and welcome to this session. Today's intention is to come home. Wherever you are physically, geographically, our intention will be to come home to ourselves. So let's start lying down on your back, knees bent, soles of the feet on the floor, and arms relaxed alongside the body. Giving yourself a chance to be still before we begin to move. Today's practice will be a slow practice dedicated to our well-being. So I invite you to bring the attention inside, bringing the attention to the space of your heart. Take a moment to now feel your heart. Feel the beating of the heart. And then move the attention to your breath and feel the breath. Feel it moving in and out of the nostrils. Feel the sensations at the base of the nostrils. The temperature, the texture of the air that goes in. The temperature and the texture of the air that goes out. Just one last round of breath. With the next exhalation, allow the eyes to gently open. Bend the knees and bring them up into your chest. Just loosely hugging your knees, rocking a little bit side to side, massage your back. Sliding the hands now at the back of the knees, rock yourself all the way up. And make your way forwards into a tabletop position. And from there into a brief downward facing dog, just making sure your hands are well open, fingers spreading out. Lift the hips, drop the head. Walk the hands all the way back to your feet and let the head hang heavy. Couple of nods of the head, yes. Couple of gentle shakes of the head, no. Feel how your neck feels. Feel the sensations as you let the weight of the head release down. Maybe a sense of decompressing and lengthening through the upper spine. Maybe you feel the rush of the blood into the head. Then slowly, keeping the knees bent, roll yourself up. As you're all the way up, join the hands together at the heart center, close the eyes. Take a moment to root down through your feet. Base of big toes pressing into the earth. Base of little toes pressing into the earth. And the center of each heel grounding you down. And as you allow the feet to be rooted and firmly planted into the ground, elevate through the crown of the head, lengthen the spine. And take another moment to feel the heart beating in your chest. On your next exhale, release the arms, open the eyes. Breathe in, lift the arms to the sky, gaze to the thumbs. Breathe out, fold forwards, release the head. Lift and lengthen, project your chest forwards. And as you exhale, fold all the way back down. Inhale, come up to standing. Exhale, the hands at the heart. Breathe in, lift the arms. Breathe out, forward fold. Lift and lengthen, spine long, flat back. Exhale, fold back down. Inhale to come up. Exhale, the hands at the heart. We'll build from here now. Inhale, lift the arms. Forward fold, exhale. Lift and lengthen, inhale. And then bring the hands to the floor and walk forwards into a tabletop position. Positioning the hands under the shoulders and knees under the hips. Inhale, lift the chest, lift the tailbone, lift the gaze. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, tailbone tucks. Breathe in, lift the tailbone, the chest and the gaze. Feel the expansion at the center of your chest. Exhale and round the spine, feel the contraction of the front of the body. Again, inhale, we expand the chest. Exhale, we contract the front of the body, pushing the floor away with the hands. Just one more time to feel the front of the body, the back of the heart. Rounding the spine, let the back of the heart spread out. And then reset into a neutral position, tuck the toes, and lift up into downward facing dog. From your downward dog, walk the hands back to your feet. Lift and lengthen, we look forwards. And as you exhale, fold back down. One more time, lift and lengthen, look forwards. Then walk the hands forwards, this time into a downward facing dog. We'll lift the right leg up into the air, roll the hip open, bending the top knee. And nice and lightly step the right foot between the two hands. If it doesn't arrive there on its own, use the hand, send the foot forwards, release the back knee down. Inhale, we lift the arms, gazing up. On the exhale, release the left hand down, keep the right arm up and twist over to the side. Release the right hand back behind you, open up the chest. Lean back a little bit with the head, with the shoulders. And from here, release, hands down, downward facing dog. On the next inhale, left leg up. Roll the hip open, bend the knee. Looking forwards, lightly step left foot between the hands. Right knee comes down, arms lift, inhale. Right hand to the ground, left arm to the sky, exhale. Tuck the top arm behind your back. Open up the chest, lean back with the hip. Lift the left arm back up, inhale. Both hands down, down dog, exhale. Take a breath in. Exhale, let go. On your next inhale, lift right leg back up. Roll the hip open, bend the knee. Feel the space in the front of the hips. Then lightly step the right foot forwards. Release the right foot between the hands. Stay up with the back knee lifted. Press down for the feet and gently come up, high lunge. From your high lunge, release the hands, interlace the fingers behind your back, open up your chest. And again, come back to feeling the heart. Feel the heart space, the front of your heart, that spaciousness into the chest. And feel the sensations into this region of the body. Maybe sensations to do with temperature. Maybe sensations to do with the heart beating in the chest. Just for one more inhale. And release the hands, reach them back up. Left hand to the ground, right arm to the sky and twist. This time the back knee is lifted, the back leg is active. And again, we tap the top arm behind the back. Opening up the chest, lean back slightly. One more inhalation. Looking down, release the hands and step back to downward dog. Exhale. Lift the left leg up. Roll the hip open, bend the knee. Looking between the hands, step the left foot forwards. Right knee stays up. We ground through the feet. We engage through the lower body so we can lift nice and strong and stable, and then eventually release the hands and come back to focusing the attention into the space and the center of the chest. Gentle opening, taking us away from a position that often we take in our daily life, or that closes the front of our body. Now finding that space again, feeling what it feels like to open up this region of the body. Sometimes certain emotions come with it, so we're here to tune in, to listen. We're not here to judge. On your next breath in, lift the arms. Right hand comes to the floor, left arm to the sky. We twist. Back leg nice and strong, and then we tuck top arm behind the back. Leaning back with the head, with the shoulders. And then from here, release both hands, step back, downward facing dog. From your downward facing dog, release the knees to the floor. Take a seat into a child's pose. Release the forehead down on the mat or on a block, the hands to the heels, relaxing through the shoulders. Now as you stay into a child's pose, feel the space at the back of your heart. The space between the shoulder blades and your upper back. Allowing now that space to relax and to expand. Notice what it feels like. Then gently from here, lift yourself up into a seated position, shift the legs forwards. We'll extend the legs forwards, keeping them together, and we'll lift the arms. Just a fairly relaxed forward fold, so the legs are still active. We'll lean forwards with a long spine, but then as we arrive, we just let the arms relax, the head go. And unlike some other times when we work into lengthening our back, for today, allow your back to round. Allow the head to release. The neck to relax. We won't be here long, but as we hold the pose, start to tune in to that space inside of you that we call home. And sometimes when we fold forwards in these positions in yoga, then it's an invitation for our mind and our heart to return to that place that we call home. That place that we can find wherever we are. Doesn't matter where we are on the map. All that matters is that we take the time to go in, to let go of anything that's happening outside of us. And we remind ourselves that we always have that one place that feels like home inside of us. If we take the time to find it, if we take the time to be quiet, we can reconnect to it. And as we reconnect to it, we can find a source of trust, a source of trust in ourselves, in others, a source of love for ourselves and for others, a source of contentment and happiness, and maybe a sense of peace, a sense of everything being okay. Gently lift yourself back. As you lift up, take a moment sitting with a tall spine, just letting go of the forward fold. Feel the length in your spine. And then bring the hands just slightly behind you. Leaning to the hands, open up the chest, push the chest forward, maybe letting the head drop back. maybe holding the head up if, like me, you prefer this variation. Stay active through the hands, push the floor away, send the breastbone forwards and up, and then gently release. As you release, make your way down onto your back. We'll bring the knees into the chest and take a simple twist. Arms out into a T position, knees to the right. And as we approach the end of the practice, notice how you feel after having stopped and after having had a chance to tune in and come back home, come back to yourself. Bring the knees all the way back to center and over to the second side. All the way back to center. We'll finish with a moment of stillness. You can stay and lay down on your back, or you could end in a seated position if you prefer. Just a few moments of silence, and we'll end this practice in silence.